Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Sondiko Butane Torch S400, Refillable Kitchen Torch Lighter, fit all butane tanks blow torch with safety lock and adjustable flame for desserts, creme brulee, and baking. Butane gas is not included. Safe and durable, the safety lock prevents accidental ignition. A broad base helps to prevent it from falling over. Long-angled nozzle and burn-free finger guard keep your hands safely away from the flame. We crafted our culinary torch out of professional-grade materials, providing you with a safe and easy-to-use tool. Refillable and easy to operate, refill the kitchen torch with any brand of butane. Please note that butane gas is not included. Great versatile gift, the creme brulee torch is ideal for caramelizing sugar atop creme brulee, glazing a baked ham, searing a steak, roasting bell peppers, melting cheese, and toasting breadcrumbs. It is also useful for lighting your fireplace, candles. Adjustable flame and continuous flame mode. Piezo Ignition Technology allows for use at any angle, even upside down with effortless one-hand operation, adjustable temperature regulator for complete control of the flame, and allows the flame temperature to reach up to 1,300 degrees Celsius per 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching and subscribe.